This guy here, Greg, is getting married. So we have a tradition at Battle for Waterloo Skirmish Field where everyone gets to shoot them. For the Bucks show, I've opted for my 30 plus rounds per second, full auto, 1,000 shot capacity, Chris Vector.
Question number 1, Greg. According to your nearest and dearest, what is your catchphrase? What is your worst habit that she pretends not to notice? Not washing the car. Will you ever win an argument?
No. That's an easy one, man.
Correct response, he will never win an argument. When your nearest and dearest buys new pillows for the couch. Ready? When you and Faith have an argument, and Faith is clearly wrong, are you right?
Say no, buddy.
Correct response, you are not right, even if she's wrong. When Faith says, we need to talk, what is your safest move? Your safest move is to play dead. Yes! How many compliments is the legal minimum to give your wife?
That's a correct answer.
There is a legal minimum, yeah.
Alright, shoot him!
Alright, how many kids does Faith want? 4. Oh, gentlemen! In your estimation, how many goats is Faith worth? There is a correct response here, I have the number. 100? Oh, so good. How many siblings does Faith have? 3? Dude, he said 3! Alright, what is Faith's favourite Australian meal? Oh, now remember, in Faith's estimation, what is the one drink that is like your relationship drink? Oh. Okay, which of the two said I love you first?
Oh.
He did, but should we shoot him for being a sap and saying I love you first?
Absolutely!
Where is Faith's dream destination holiday? And sadly, the response is the Maldives. So, what 2 words are essential to every husband's survival? Yes. Correct response. Thank you very much, firing squad. We appreciate your efforts.